Hello everyone, I am Bharti from Gyan Girls School. Today in this video, we will revise the story titled The Narayanpur Incident given in Unit 2 of your English course book Gulmohar. The title of the story it is The Narayanpur Incident. This is an extract from The Narayanpur Incident by Shashi Deshpande. The main characters of the story are Mohan, a young student leader, Amma, she is Mohan's mother, Babu, Mohan's younger brother, Manju, Mohan's younger sister. Then another important character is Mr. Patil. He is a police sub-inspector. He claims himself to be the school friend of Mohan's father, rescues Amma's family from getting arrested by the police. Another character is Suman. She is Mohan's friend. The summary I have presented in form of main points. Setting of the story is the Quit India movement. This movement started on 8th of August 1942. The story refers to that movement. The story revolves around the family of Mohan, a young student leader who leads a procession from the college to the office of the collector. Babu and Manju are Mohan's siblings. Manju is the youngest one. Mohan's parents also participate in the movement. His father is sent to prison while his mother, whom he called Amma, stays with him and supports him. Mohan's family moves to the small town of Narayanpur when his father is put behind bars. Mohan turns in Narayanpur with his friend Suman. Babu decides to watch a procession that Mohan is taking part in and takes Manju with himself. Their mother doesn't know about their plan, so the children leave the key to their house with their neighbor Ramabai. Babu and Manju, they are very curious to see Mohan. Babu and Manju find a good spot almost opposite the gate of the collector's compound and they wait for the procession to come. When the procession comes, they witness, they look for Mohan and they are able to find him. And they see that Mohan is dressed in white pajamas and cream color kurta. He is accompanied by another boy. Both of them are holding aloft a picture of the Mahatma. Here, Mahatma refers to Mahatma Gandhi. The procession reaches the collector's office. At the barred gates, a police officer who is the DSP talks with them. Some students seem to argue with him. One of them hands him a piece of paper. Actually, it was a notice that they had served on the collector as a representative of His Majesty's government, asking them to quit India or face the consequences. Here, His Majesty's government refers to the British government. Suman and another boy visit Mohan's house after the dinner at night. They bring with themselves a cyclostyling machine. On Amma's advice, the machine is kept in the puja room. Mohan asks Babu to sit out in the front room and keep a watch. He also asks Manju to go to the bed, but noticing her crestfallen face, he asks her to sit in the hall and pass on Babu's warning to them. Babu sits outside, very alert and attentive. And then he observes a man riding a bike stops just right outside their gate. That man he stops the bike and then he opens the gate to get in. In the meantime, Babu makes everyone alert. Amma and Mohan give instructions to Babu and Manju to go to their bed. Then they hear a knock at the door. Amma asks Mohan to see who is there at the door. Mohan, he tells Amma that the sub-inspector Mr. Patil has come. Then Patil comes And then he introduces himself as a school friend of Mohan's father. He tells them not to worry. He also tells them that he won't give them any trouble. Actually, he talks about the help that he was going to give them. Patil informs Amma about the search going to take place at their house. He asks Amma if they have the circular styling machine. Amma refuses as he sorry, Mohan refuses as he doesn't consider Patil a trustworthy person, for he is a police officer. But Amma accepted that the circular styling machine was at home. Patil assures Mohan that he is also a patriot and he won't betray them. He tells them about his intention and assures them that he wants to help them. Uh, Amma instructs Mohan to give the circular styling machine to Patil. Suman is asked to leave the house. Mohan takes Suman to a safer place and then comes back shortly. In the meantime, Patil takes away the circular styling machine. After that, Amma and Mohan, the entire family, all of them hear a loud knock at the door. Amma asks Mohan to see who it is. It was like going to something all over again, but this time they knew for sure that it wasn't a friend standing outside. There was no need for Mohan to announce that it was the police. With this, the story comes to an end. I have tried to include all the important points, all the important events that have been described in the story. I hope that this revision video will help you in preparing for your exam. Thank you, students.